everyone. I wanted to hop on here and talk to you a little bit about what the real estate market looked like in 2020 and what to expect heading into 2021. So if I can think of one word to describe 2020, it was uncertain. We had the uncertainty of the presidential election, we had the uncertainty of the pandemic, but ultimately we ended strong. Nationally, we saw home sales up 3 to 5%. We saw a price increase of 7 to 9%. And in Hamilton and Marion counties, which are the areas that I primarily focus on, we saw incredible results. We saw a median sales price up 14.8%, almost 15%. And we saw an increase in price per square foot of 10.6%. Now let's talk a little bit about decreases. We saw a decrease in the time that houses were sitting on the market of 17.6%. We also saw a decrease in inventory. So one thing you have to understand is that we were already in a low inventory market heading into 2020. And now as we look back, we saw that there was an additional decrease overall of 24.1% of active inventory in the market. The best analogy that I have to explain that to you is toilet paper in March. So there is incredible demand, especially in an area like Indianapolis, where we are seeing buyers moving from bigger cities into the suburbs and beyond, especially as they have more work from home options. Economists are also predicting that we are going to see some of the pent-up demand from the pandemic come out this year. So I think that it may be an even more competitive market than last year. What this means for you as a seller, it's great. There has maybe never been a better time to sell. As a buyer, it's going to be competitive. Now that doesn't mean that it's impossible. In fact, it's a great time to buy given the low interest rates. Interest rates are below 3% right now. They've been that way for a number of months. And they are predicted to stay low until 2023. Now, what is really important in this market is that you have a plan in place. And so I want to encourage you to feel free to reach out to me. If you're thinking about buying or selling and you're even just tossing the idea around in your mind, but you're not sure you want to do it or commit to it, totally fine. Give me a call. I would love to have a conversation with you. I can do a brief comparative market analysis for you to give you a sense for how your house performed last year. So give me a call. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks so much.